Hi guys, this is Khushbu and welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. So the next rule with method overriding is an obvious one, that constructors cannot be overridden. So this one's a very obvious one because constructors are not the methods and a subclass constructor cannot have the same name as a superclass because a constructor has the name of the class and so it cannot be overridden. So the question that you might get in an interview is that can I override the constructor? And you should straightforward say no because it's not a method and it has the same name of the class. So the child class constructor will have the name of the child class while the superclass constructor would have the name of the superclass, and these both cannot be same. So constructors cannot be overridden. So that's it for this rule guys. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned.